had a weakness problem, and then my stress, my backache, and too many things. I just started 2 days ago. I feel, strange. I feel different.
Good.
No feeling pain. I feel strong, and then I feel different.
Good.
And I trust this acupuncture
Acupuncture.
more than the treatment from the hospital. I feel strong and confident.
Confident.
I also recommend it to somebody else as well. I mean, if you want to lose weight fast, you want yourself to be feeling full, and you want your body to be shrinking very quick, I recommend this acupuncture treatment to everybody who's fed up of being overweight. My stomach has shrunk, not just from the outside, but internally I feel it has shrunk because I don't feel hungry. I can eat anything small and I feel extremely full throughout the whole day. So it's definitely worth the